Hello boys and girls, my name's Natalie.
And I'm Tanya.
Today we're going to be making these, egg carton whales. In order to do this craft, you will need the craft kit that's included in your VBS summer package. You'll need some glue, either a glue stick or white glue will work, and a marker. The first thing you want to do is empty the contents of your craft kit onto the table in front of you. That way everything's visible and easy to grab. Next, you'll grab the blue egg carton piece along with the blue paper fins and tail. First, we'll glue a fin to each side of the egg carton. After the fins are secure, we'll put some glue on the inside of the egg carton and also on the end of the blue tail. Once they're glued, you'll tuck the end of the tail inside of the egg carton, making sure that the fins of the tail are still visible. Once everything's attached, set your whale aside and grab the two pipe cleaner pieces. Bend each of the pieces in half and intertwine them at the bend. Pinch the intertwined pipe cleaner ends together and push through the slit at the top of the egg carton. Make sure you leave the intertwined section inside of the carton so that it is no longer visible. We will then bend or curl the ends of the pipe cleaners. This gives it the appearance of water blowing out of the whale's blowhole. The last step is creating a face for our whale. To do this, we will first glue both of the googly eyes to the front of the whale. And last, we'll take the marker and draw on a smile. And now our whale is complete. Thank you for tuning in and making whales with us today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.
Bye.